Royal Air Force of Oman cruise receives Prince Philip Helicopter Rescue Award. A statement issued online by Oman news agency said an air crew consisting of a pilot and 2 navigators from the Royal Air Force of Oman received the Prince Philip Helicopter Rescue Award in return for performing a search and rescue mission for 5 mountaineers in the Wilayat of Nakhl in South al-Batana Governorate using night binoculars from high altitudes. Oman Airports announces new service at Muscat International Airport. As Oman Airports continues to put travelers' experience at the heart of its airport operation, we are thrilled to announce that you can now pre-order your meals online and collect your order from the outlet at Muscat International Airport, Oman Airports said in a statement. New COVID-19 cases. As many as 20 cases of coronavirus were registered in Oman in addition to 0 COVID-19 related deaths. This brings the total number of COVID-19 cases in the Sultanate to 304,183.